one new message.
What's up, bestie? What is up? Why don't you ever pick up your phone? It's me, Elsie Parker, and you're gonna love this. The feds just rolled in and busted all the kingpins in the city. They're off the scene, out of the picture. You know what that means? Every other criminal in NOLA is turning on each other. The entire underworld is totally up for grabs. This is our chance to get out in front of the competition for good. What do you say? You ready to take the Big Easy by storm? 'Cause I'm pumped. Woo! Okay, first things first. Meet me by the Mardi Gras parade tonight. We've got a place to rob. Somebody's got good taste in masks. You know, I don't do stick-ups that often, being an awesome street racing promoter and all. But this one's different. All we gotta do is get enough cash to start setting up a gang with. Easy, right? You are not getting away with our payroll, buddy. Here comes the cavalry. Amateurs must have tripped the alarm. Tell me you're not having fun right now. All right, you've got to head over to the ferry and meet up with your buddy Alan. You know, regroup, buy an awesome headquarters with the robbery money, that sort of thing.
Shit! Oh, man.
Wow. Does Alan always get shot at this much? We should probably help him. Anyway, who wants to go buy our awesome new mansion? That's right, mansion. Wow, this looked a lot better on the website. like it. All right, boss. Let's figure out who we're up against.